Hoovers, and welcome again to Silly Sid 123. You join me yet again for another video. This time an unboxing. Haven't done one for some time. And I must say this is a very big box. But what's inside it, I hear you say? Well, inside this is a 1993 Hoover TurboPower 2 autosense U2464, and this is the one most of my mates have had in the past. This is the one that is resembles very closely to my Nan's vacuum when I was little. It is the TurboPower that has the red bumper guard around the bottom, and I believe it's the only TurboPower 2 to have the red bumper guard around the bottom. Not seen any other pictures. So this was given to me by a friend, and you know who you are. Thank you so much. This will be looked after, and it will be added to my collection. So let's unbox this puppy. So as you know, I've had TurboPowers before. I've had TurboPower Mark 1s and TurboPower Mark 2s. So I thought to myself, well, do you know what, when I was offered it, I thought, to be fair, I could do with a TurboPower 2 and keeping it, because they're now becoming a rare thing. Oh, this has been patched beautifully well. Look at this. Okay, so just going to get this out. This is what I love to see, guys, is massive amount of protection to look after the item when it's in transit. It is beautiful to see. Absolute brilliance. You know who you are? Thank you so much. You have patched this beautifully. Lots of packaging, lots of protection. That is what we love to see. So it can't get damaged in transit. So here we are, a TurboPower 2 U2464, looking very nice. Oh yes, not a proper bag, but that is fine. Oh, look at that, a new filter. So this is a autosense. So we've got to do a bit of assembly. Okay, let's give it a go and see what it sounds like. full power. Well, there we go, my YouTubers. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Well, I am very, very pleased to own a turbo power once again. What a beautiful machine this really is, the U2464. Absolutely brilliant. The power is just superb. And no struggling with the pickup. It sounds great. And what a machine. Love it. You know who you are? Thank you so, so much for giving me this opportunity to own another autosense. I've had a previous autosense in the past, the U2464. So guys, that's it. Like, subscribe and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.